Hennen kasngi ka arpsau ture unailar ka skol Pinebrook Secondary School kalapan ko boram ki khna jonga ka skol ki bala pass bha ha ka examen secondary school living certificate jonga snam araja khan reu ha ka jelang ka balalong ha ka ni skol ha ka ni jelang lai dan lang ro menteri rang ba barem ka jela ba mentau long unong ai boj barang ba jonga sakar jela u Dr. Didi Lapang balalong kong san ha ka ni jelang Hashua banslang ya kajing pen ko boram bat sam husnam seki khna gi bala pendam mat pass ba ya examen matreng nagani skol layo ashwa da kajing pulei ka ktian jong ublai naga bible ya ka bala pulia da kan nikita boyan bat ifilari tengkan siem shusho ala pen ipho ipeng ya kani jelang da kajing simmanta jong ki khna jong kani skol ha kajing ruai bat jing shat bat ha kani jelang layo ro kajing kran kerpang na ka wai niki khna bala pendap ya ka matrek nagani skol ka alverin jala
that the secondary school has done its best and produced a lot of qualities to quality education. I'm thankful, young friends. I have seen the report. He said 7 consecutive years were 100% successful in this town. It's a very rare report. I've been there in the job as a leader. I've got hundreds and hundreds of schools around me as a leader myself and others, but I can hardly say that consecutively 7 years you did that. You did it today, and we're here because you have really done your best, and we are coming here to see that we have been able to do. Your excellent report will go deep down to the record of the school, continue to have written in the letter report. Well, students, I want to tell you, when you have come from here, your thinking is going to go. In one farewell meeting, when he said, this is the day to give farewell to friends, there's embracing, kissing, shedding of tears. And the writing in the placard is, where do we go from here? But at the end, they gave the principal of the school to say something. But he said, I'm impressed by the big question, where do we go from here? I'll tell you, young students, you'll have 2 different directions. Someone will go to the ditch and bury themselves. Someone will go to the top of the hill. Someone will hitch the wagons to the stars and shine. I wish you will not choose the first option where you go to the ditch and destroy yourself. Why I say so? Because you pass, Satan will be after you to say that what you have is your own and not from anyone. But if you are humble enough, think that what you have got is not your own, but a blessing from somewhere, from parents, teachers, and God above. And this is a great thing we should cultivate in your mind.